Welcome to SVFF.
Tiếng Việt giọng miền Nam cho người nước ngoài.
Chào mọi người, mình tên là Phi.
Còn mình là Hư.
Today, let's learn numbers from 100 to billions in Vietnamese. First of all, what's your conversation with us?
Chào em. Chào anh.
Sau này em muốn làm gì?
Em ước gì em trúng số độc đắc. Em sẽ có được 2,5 tỷ.
2,5 tỷ? Nhiều quá. Nếu có 2,5 tỷ, em sẽ làm gì?
Em sẽ mua 1.000 ly trà sữa để uống cho đã.
Còn anh á, nếu anh có 2,5 tỷ, anh sẽ mua 101 đóa hoa hồng để tặng cho bạn gái.
Sao anh không mua 999 đóa hoa hồng?
À, bạn gái anh không thích số 9.
Dạ, cho em xin tiền trà sữa.
Ủa? Bao nhiêu vậy em?
Ủa, hai anh là 75.
Sao mắc dữ vậy?
So, last video, we've talked about 1 to 99. If you want to watch this, click the link here. Today, we will learn how to read the number in Vietnamese from 100 to billions.
Yeah, basically any numbers today. Yeah. Let's start from 100. 100 would be
100.
Okay, so if you want to say 300, 500, just say 5 and then 100. More example, 500,
500,
900,
900.
Okay, next we have 101. How to say that?
101.
Can I say 101 without lẻ?
No.
Right, so when they have 0 and a number like this in the 10th digit position, you have to say lẻ. Okay, if you don't say 101 or 102, you don't say 102, you forgot lẻ, and you say 102, we would understand it's 120. So pay attention to that. More example, 105,
105,
109.
109.
Okay, next one we have 110.
110 hoặc là 101.
Okay, you can pick any of that. 111.
111.
So basically you just say 100 and then the next number, right? And go on to any number.
How about 120?
Okay, for this one we can say 120, but for short you can say 120. Different from 110, we don't say 101. That's weird. We would say 101, but for 120, you can make it short for 120. Same thing for 130, you can say
130.
Okay, be careful. If you say 103 without lẻ, they would misunderstand to 130. Okay, so listen again and look at these two numbers. This one, 103.
103.
Okay.
What about 121?
121. So you just say 121. 100 would be
100.
21 would be
21.
So 121. Next one, 150.
150.
So this one you can either say 150, 150, or 150. Rưỡi here means and a half. Okay, so 50 is like half of 100. You can say 150. Okay, next we have 110.
210.
Okay, but some Vietnamese also like to say it like
201.
Okay, similar to 110, you can either say 110 or 101. Here, 210 or 201, both are correct. So, 250. Is there another way to say this?
250.
So pay attention. The 50 here is a half of the next digit. So 50 is half of the 100 digits. We say rưỡi, 250. Now let's test something. We talk too much. Now let's practice a bit. Okay, look at this number. how would you pronounce this number?
How do you say this number? 909.
Good. Now let's start from 1,000. 1,000 would be
1.000.
10,000 would be
10.000.
100,000.
100.000.
Okay, how to pronounce this number? Okay, next one, million. We have triệu. 10 million would be
10 triệu.
100 million.
100 triệu.
How about 1 billion?
1 tỷ.
Okay, let's look at this number and read it. 10 number 9. How would you say that in Vietnamese?
9 tỷ 999 triệu 999.999.
Good luck to you. Now it's practice time. Read these numbers in Vietnamese. Okay, number 1.
251.
Number 2, 1,500.
Number 3, 10,650.
Number 4, 1,000,001.
And the last one, 2,500,000,000.
Comment the answer below. We will check them out.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Did you know that in just 3 months, if you learn Vietnamese one-on-one with us, you will be able to communicate in simple Vietnamese.
And just from 6 to 8 hours, you can pronounce all Vietnamese words without understanding the meaning of it yet. Register for a free 30 minutes trial here. And this is the end of the video. Hope you can master all numbers in Vietnamese. And we can't wait to see you in our next video. Cảm ơn.
Chào bạn.
Bye.
Thousands of Vietnamese learners have successfully achieved the goal of learning Vietnamese with SVFF. You can do it too. Join us for a free 30 minutes trial here.